Okay, driving to the second event for the weekend.
Check in?
Yeah, I need my phone because I need to find my racing car.
Oh.
Incline Half Marathon, 4067. It is Saturday and I am running the half marathon. It's called the Incline Half Marathon. It starts at Incline Village, right where I finished yesterday for the marathon, and then running into Tahoe City. I feel good. I'm a little sore from yesterday, but not much. I will do a little bit of stretching and stuff before this race. Yesterday I just went into it completely cold. I didn't do anything. There ended up being 43 finishers yesterday, and I think I was number 17. I was the first male masters 40 plus. Just past 1 mile, 9:44 split. Heart rate just slightly above where I want it. Sub-7 pace here. Second mile split, 10:54. Had to walk to bring my heart rate down. My goal today is to continue my Rio Del Lago pacing that I wanted to do.
Woo-hoo! Welcome to California! Woo!
Just past mile 3, feeling good. All right, thank you for watching and we'll have fun.
There he is, right there. Look at that. I saw. Pups are out here cheering for ya. Keep going. There he goes, straight through the aid station.
Okay, mile 4 split is 9:50. That's with the bathroom stop. Yesterday my heart rate was higher than I had expected, and I might have run a little faster than I initially wanted on some of the course, because my average heart rate was, I feel, a little bit too high. So today I'm going to stick with that same heart rate range in pacing and see how I do with it. It might be that I need to change my heart rate range for Rio Del Lago, but that's why I'm doing this now. See how I feel and see how I do. All right, mile 6.
Woohoo! Great job! Great pace.
In the zone.
Yeah, keep going. There he goes.
My nutrition plan, even though it's only a half marathon, I'm still sticking with the 90 grams per hour. Mile 7, and that means we're over halfway. That split was 9:33. Included some walking while I was eating. I am planning on having 2 char gels, and then I have a carb. The carb gel is 50 grams. Mile 8 split, 9:15. And a lot of it was uphill. I was maintaining my heart rate where I wanted, so I didn't have to walk at all.
It's gonna definitely be nice to jump in the lake at the end. You ready for that jump in the lake?
Yep.
All right.
It's right where I wanted.
Woohoo!
Course today is not going to be going up to Spooner Summit, so it should be a little bit faster, less climbing, less downhill, of course, with less climbing, but overall a little bit lower elevation, a little bit warmer. Okay, I slowed down to about 12-minute pace up the hill, but my heart rate went up a little bit, but it's still where I want it.
Woo-woo! Great job!
As far as water, I'm going to carry a little bit less water today. I went ahead and took my back bladder out and left it, and I am trying the front pack bottle again. It actually went okay during the race. I like the idea of having just water, clean, unflavored, unsugared, unsalted water. Mile 12 on a little hill. Just try to push through it. The fastest marathoners are catching up. So I'm almost to mile 12. Under 2 hours. I'm going to go ahead and have my last jump. The enter bit. That's it. Going about 1.3 or so to go. There it is. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Good job! So Jerry is now going to go for a fuller plunge after the race. So let's see how far he can get it.
Okay, Lake Tahoe in October. Ooh, it's cold. Good for recovery. Gotta walk past these rocks. Oh, there's a sand deer spot. Just a little sandy section. It's not all rocks. Oh, actually, it's a solid rock. Okay. You did it. Nice.